In my previous videos, I have explained about two methods for the calculation of price elasticity of demand. This video is about degrees of elasticity, and this is very important topic from this unit. How many degrees are there? There are total 5 degrees of elasticity: 0, 1, infinity, less than 1, greater than 1. So, these are total 5 degrees of elasticity. First one is unit elastic or unitary elastic. Second is perfectly inelastic. If we are talking about perfectly inelastic demand, in that condition we can say that elasticity of demand is 0, completely 0. Okay? Here elasticity is 0. It means perfectly inelastic. Third degree is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means elasticity of demand is infinity, that is undetermined. Here ED equals to infinite. And the fourth degree for the elasticity is more elastic. The more elastic demand is also known as elastic demand, and here the value of elasticity of demand is more than 1. That's why it is called more elastic. The last and fifth degree of elasticity is less elastic. Less elastic demand is also known as inelastic demand, and in this condition the degree of elasticity, the elasticity is less than 1. Okay, now what is the criteria to calculate all these degrees? First of all, we will discuss the first degree of elasticity, and I have taken this degree as unit elastic or unitary elastic. When I am talking about unit elastic, it means elasticity of demand is equal to 1. Okay? But हम ये कैसे कह सकते हैं? How can we say that elasticity is equal to 1? We know, we have already done different type of numericals which are related with proportionate method. In that method, we are using one formula to calculate elasticity of demand, and that formula is about proportionate change in quantity demanded divided by proportionate change in price. Okay, proportionate change in quantity and proportionate change in price. If in any condition both of these changes are equal, it means if proportionate change in quantity demand is equal to the proportionate change in price of a commodity, in that condition we can say the elasticity is equal to 1 and is called unit elastic. Okay, for example, I have taken one example. If price rises by 5% and because of rise in price demand falls by 5%. Okay, by putting both of these values into our formula for the elasticity, negative sign, there is fall in demand, so that we are using negative sign, minus 5% divided by 5%, 5 to 5 will be cut and elasticity of demand will equal to 5. Here we can say there is 5% rise in price and 5% fall in demand. So on this demand curve, the elasticity of demand is equal to 1.